Hello everyone, hope you all are good and well. Children, in the previous video I told you about pronouns and about personal pronoun. Okay, in this video I am going to continue with the kinds of pronouns only. Okay, so today I'll discuss the rest of the pronouns. Okay, children, so second kind of pronoun is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun means that shows the possession of the noun. मतलब कोई चीज़ किसकी है ना, आपकी है, उसकी है, मेरी है. ओके, सो ये जो possessive pronoun है ये possession of noun को indicate करता है. Okay, I will explain you with the help of an example. Okay, so this possessive pronoun will be more clear to you. Okay, for example, these books are mine. तो यहाँ पे books क्या है, noun है, और ये book किसकी है, मेरी है, mine. These books are mine. Okay, that house is yours. यहाँ पे house is a noun और ये house किसका है, तुम्हारा है. तो this is called as the possessive pronoun. Okay, mine, yours, ours, all these are the examples of possessive pronoun. मतलब वो pronoun जो ये indicate करता है कि कोई चीज़ या कोई noun okay किसकी है, किसके possession में है, कौन possess करता है, that is called as the possessive pronoun. Okay, children, the third kind of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. So what is a reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun मतलब ये इंडिकेट करता है कि जो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है, जो वर्ब का जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो सेम एज सब्जेक्ट. मतलब जो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट ओके बोथ आर सेम. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हेलो चिल्ड्रन, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. I'm going to explain reflexive pronoun with an example. Okay. So the example is we enjoyed ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves. Okay, so here we is the subject, enjoyed is the verb and ourselves is the reflexive pronoun. तो यहाँ पे जो subject है और object, ये object और subject they are both same. वे उन्होंने या I, she, hurt, herself. तो यहाँ पे she is a subject and herself जो object है, ये और she दोनों क्या है, same है. We are referring to the same person here. Okay, and that is why ourselves, herself, yourself, here all these are reflexive pronoun. तो reflexive pronoun क्या होता है, when the object of the verb indicates the same subject. Okay, or in other words we can say that the subject and the object both are same. Okay, this object refers to the same person or thing, that is your reflexive pronoun. Okay, so next type of pronoun is emphatic pronoun. Okay, so the word emphatic means it is from the word emphasis. Emphasis मतलब कोई चीज़ को हमको जब importance देते हैं ना, कोई चीज़ में हम ज़्यादा जोर डालते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एम्फोसिस. ओके, तो एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन मतलब व्हेन वी गिव इम्पोर्टेंस टू द पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो दैट प्रोनाउंस आर नोन एज emphatic pronouns. Okay, it will be more clear with an example. The principal herself attended the function. So children, यहाँ पे principal subject है. This is the noun. The principal is the noun here. और principal पे कौन जोर डाल रहा है? This pronoun, this herself. कि principal खुद function, principal ने खुद function attend किया. Okay? I myself did it. Okay, I myself did it. तो यहाँ पे I सब्जेक्ट है और इस पे कौन जोर डाल रहा है? ये वर्ड, दिस प्रोनाउन myself, और एम्फोसिस कर रहा है और इम्पोर्टेंस दे रहा है सब्जेक्ट I पे कि मैंने खुद ये किया, प्रिंसिपल ने खुद फंक्शन अटेंड किया. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई, बिकॉज दिस प्रोनाउंस आर गिविंग इम्पोर्टेंस, more importance to the subject, or it is just making the subject more giving importance to the subject. That's why they're called as the emphatic pronouns. Okay, children, the next kind of pronoun is interrogative pronoun. So what are interrogative pronouns? They are those pronouns that are used to ask questions. They are pronouns that are used to ask questions. Okay, so there are mainly 5 types of interrogative pronouns. Okay, for example, who are you? In this, who is an interrogative pronoun. Okay, then what are you doing? Okay, then which is your favorite color? Okay, then whose book is this? Okay, and the last one is who, the person to whom I was speaking is my cousin. So children, whom, what, whose, which. Okay, all these are kinds of interrogative pronouns. Okay, that are used to ask question. So the person to whom I was speaking is my cousin. Okay, now the next pronoun is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun मतलब जो noun और pronoun जो हमने पहले मेंशन किया है उसको ही ये रेफर करता है. ठीक है, तो वो प्रोनाउन जो पहले प्रीवियसली मेंशन नाउन या प्रोनाउन को रेफर करते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. ओके, दे आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज कनेक्टर्स, मतलब दे आर यूज्ड टू जॉइन टू sentences as well. Example, okay, Goldilocks is the story of a girl who got lost in the woods. Okay children, so here यहाँ गोल्डी लॉक्स जो है किसकी स्टोरी है? वो उस लड़की की स्टोरी है जो, ओके, इट मींस हु गॉट लॉस्ट इन द वुड्स, मतलब जो जंगलों में खो गई थी, उस लड़की की स्टोरी है। तो यहाँ पे जो नाउन हमने मेंशन किया है ना, गर्ल, उसी को रेफर कर रहा है दिस प्रोनाउन हु, वो लड़की जो जंगलों में खो गई थी। ओके, द बुक दैट आई रेड yesterday was very interesting. ओके, सो मैं कौन से बुक को रेफर कर रही हूँ? वो बुक जो मैंने कल पढ़ी थी वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग थी। सो हु, दैट, हियर दे आर रेफरिंग टू द noun or the pronoun that are mentioned earlier. Okay children, so children, hope you understood, okay, the kinds of pronoun that I explained today. And children, if you are not subscribed to the channel, then kindly do that and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.